2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, tow hitch, remote engine start, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, keyless start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.